Have you ever felt your stomach twist in discomfort after a meal? Or struggled with heartburn, bloating, constipation, or worse, an ulcer? Now, here's a surprising question. What if the solution isn't a pill, a powder, or a tea, but a simple, yellow fruit sitting quietly on your kitchen counter? Yes, that everyday banana may be more powerful than you think, especially when it comes to healing and protecting your digestive system. It may look ordinary, but beneath that, smooth yellow skin is one of the most effective natural remedies for your gut. Every day, millions of people experience some form of stomach issue, whether it's acid reflux, constipation, or irritable bowel syndrome. In fact, according to the American College of Gastroenterology, more than 60 million Americans experience heartburn at least once a month, and over 15% of the population suffers from chronic constipation. Stomach discomfort not only affects our energy and mood, but also impacts immunity, nutrient absorption, and even mental clarity. Yet, in the rush to find solutions, most people overlook one of nature's simplest answers: the banana. So, what makes bananas so effective for stomach issues? First, let's talk about their texture and composition. Bananas are naturally soft, smooth, and easy to digest. This makes them an ideal food for anyone recovering from stomach upset or inflammation. Their gentle consistency coats the stomach lining, reducing irritation, especially for people dealing with ulcers or gut. In fact, studies have shown that bananas contain a compound called lutein, which can increase the thickness of the stomach's protective mucus layer, helping to ward off damage from stomach acid and pepsin. That's why bananas are often recommended by doctors to patients with gastric ulcers. Another major benefit of bananas is their rich content of pectin, a type of soluble fiber. Pectin plays a dual role in gut health. It helps regulate bowel movements by softening stool and constipation, and it also absorbs excess fluid in cases of diarrhea. This unique balancing ability makes bananas one of the few fruits that are helpful for both ends of the spectrum, whether you're dealing with sluggish digestion or an overactive gut. This is why bananas are a key part of the well-known brat diet: bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast prescribed for people recovering from stomach flu or diarrhea. But the story doesn't end with fiber. Bananas are also natural prebiotics. This means they help feed the good bacteria in your gut, particularly bifidobacteria, which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy microbiome. A healthy microbiome doesn't just aid digestion, it also supports your immune system, regulates inflammation, and even influences mood through the gut-brain axis. Emerging research shows that prebiotic foods like bananas can improve symptoms in people with IBS and other gastrointestinal disorders. In a 2017 study published in Frontiers in Microbiology, scientists found that regular intake of prebiotic gut bacteria within just 4 weeks. Bananas are also naturally alkaline, meaning they can help neutralize excess stomach acid. For people struggling with acid reflux or GERD, this is particularly important. Unlike citrus fruits, tomatoes, or spicy foods, bananas are soothing to the stomach and help calm burning sensations in the chest and throat. Eating a ripe banana can provide near-instant relief from mild heartburn without any need for Now, let's not forget potassium, one of the banana's most abundant minerals. Potassium is essential for maintaining electrolyte balance and muscle function, including the smooth muscles of your digestive tract. When potassium levels are low, as can happen with diarrhea, vomiting, or dehydration, your digestive rhythm can become sluggish. Bananas help replenish these lost electrolytes and restore the body's natural balance. Each medium banana contains about 422 milligrams of potassium, which is roughly 10% of your daily needs. The benefits of bananas extend to more serious conditions too. In people suffering from peptic ulcers, bananas have been shown to help reduce irritation and improve healing. One study published in the British Journal of Pharmacology found banana powder extracts significantly reduced the size and severity of gastric ulcers in test subjects, attributed to both its anti-inflammatory and mucus-enhancing properties. While you shouldn't replace your medications with bananas without a doctor's advice, it's clear that adding them to your diet can significantly support recovery and prevention. Real-life experiences reinforce what science has discovered. Sarah, a 35-year-old teacher from Lahore, had battled chronic bloating and indigestion for years. Doctors prescribed antacids and laxatives, but her discomfort always returned. After reading about the gut-soothing properties of bananas, she began eating one every morning before breakfast. Within a month, her symptoms improved dramatically: less gas, smoother digestion, and fewer days spent feeling bloated or nauseous. Her story is one of thousands, showing how simple diet changes can produce lasting results. You might be wondering, how many bananas should I eat? And when nutritionists recommend 1 to 2 ripe bananas per day, preferably in the morning or between meals. This allows your digestive system to benefit from their gentle properties without being overwhelmed by too much fiber at once. Overripe bananas, those with brown spots, are especially easy to digest and richer in You can eat them alone, slice them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or mash them into baked goods. However you prefer them, the goal is consistency. That said, not everyone responds to bananas the same way. People with fructose intolerance or a very sensitive IBS may want to start with small amounts and observe how their body reacts. While rare, some people report mild bloating when introducing bananas into their diet. The key is to monitor your own system and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. But for the vast majority, bananas are incredibly safe and beneficial. Beyond the stomach, bananas also provide vitamin B6, vitamin C, and magnesium, all of which play indirect roles in digestion, energy, metabolism, and muscle relaxation, and they're naturally free of fat, cholesterol, and sodium, making them an excellent everyday food. At around 100 calories per fruit, bananas are a perfect snack for those watching their weight while still trying to feel full and nourished. Let's also bust a myth. Many people believe bananas cause constipation. This confusion often comes from eating unripe bananas, which are high in resistant starch. While unripe bananas can be helpful for treating diarrhea due to this starch, ripe bananas are the ones that actually help relieve constipation. The more yellow and spotted the banana, the better it is for a sluggish gut. So if you've been struggling with any kind of digestive discomfort, whether it's chronic bloating, unpredictable bowel habits, or a persistent heartburn, don't underestimate the healing power of a banana. It's not flashy, it's not expensive, but it's backed by science and praised by both traditional and modern medicine. For just a few cents a day, you can give your stomach the support it desperately needs. The next time your gut feels off, before you reach for another antacid or laxative, try reaching for a banana. Your body might just surprise you. A simple, ripe banana taken daily can be the difference between digestive chaos and comfort. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health, wisdom, and share it with someone who's been battling stomach issues. And let us know in the comments, what has your experience been with bananas and digestion? Smoothie lovers, oatmeal fans, or just plain and peeled, we want to hear from you. Remember, your gut is your second brain, so feed it, right?